No!
I had enough of suffering.
This is worse than losing 8-2.
I'm gonna bicycle kick my head away.
I just can't live without English or Spanish.
Guys, I'm missing English or Spanish too. It just isn't the same without it.
Is there any way we can bring it back?
Sadly, no, it's over.
What do you mean over?
I'm sorry, Zlatan. Our last English or Spanish was the final one.
Nothing is over until Zlatan says it's over.
Oh my god, can you bring English or Spanish back?
Not exactly.
What do you mean?
Zlatan, please, I will do anything.
You can't do anything.
No!
But our viewers can, like if you want English or Spanish back.